Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn how to appear the increment section, increment tax and increment amount after increase a salary, and also learn how to appear the resign date when terminate a employee will appear status inactive and resign date also appear. Now first we learn the increment amount when the current gross is increased, then it show below the increment date and increment amount here. Let's try it. Equal to if and bracket open the previous gross, the current gross minus previous gross, first bracket close, first bracket open another, greater than 0, then it will be first double quotation, it will be increment date, enter. Otherwise will be null data. Okay. Copy and paste here, and here it will be semicolon, and copy another, paste here, and here we pass the calculation. Current gross minus previous gross, enter. Okay, let's try it, it's working or not. Increment date, we try it manually first because we did not apply the formula here. Increment amount 5,000, then it is working now. Okay, now we use the conditional format here. At first I align the amount, sorry, I can use the currency, not any sign, and decimal 0. Okay, this is the increment amount. When it increase, then it will be visible, otherwise it remain invisible. If I try another ID, it's working now. 2, okay, 1, yes, and we set the conditional format here. New rule, format only cell that contain if this cell remain no blank, then the color, fill color will be yellow, and this, okay. We see the previous one. Yes, same as like we manage the rules, border section, okay. Okay, and another is when this employee will be terminated, then appear the inactive and it will be inactive date also mentioned here. So we can use this formula. Copy, paste here. We can change it. If and first bracket open, I column and cell 8 will be equal to active. No, it will be inactive. INACTIV, inactive. Then show the resign date, resign date in this cell, and also copy and paste here, and here we use the column. And in this section we use the formula of this one. Copy, paste, and we can use another formula here. No need now. Try it. If it is inactive, then it will work or not. If I input a resign date here like 1/1/23, then it is inactive status, and here also inactive here. While inactive here, then it should come the date, inactive date. So inactive date is 10 number column. We change it 10. Yes, now appear the date, termination date. We can select this format, and alignment is left section. Okay, we get the date here. Now we use the conditional format. If this status inactive, then it will be the red color. So first the manage, there is no rules making, so we take this option. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Then a target cell, this one. If this one will be the number, this format working. Set the format. Select the fill color will be red, font color will be yellow. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now we see the status color red, and if we copy the format and paste here, it makes also. Now let's manage border. No need any border. Like it will be same condition. Manage. We take another rules here. We select this option, and this one will be number format, then fill color will red, font color will yellow. Okay, right, okay, yes. Now the result in front of us. If it will be 2, then the previous one. You can use the border. Okay. Border can also provide here color, this one. Okay, yes, now looking better. One inactive. There's some problem. We don't need any border here. Okay, and this also make like this. If any value appear in this cell, then we use this format, no blank. Then fill color will be yellow and font color will be red. Bold also. Okay, yes. Now okay, same as before, okay. If we change the ID number, then active, and disappear the increment also and resign also. If only remain increment here 4000, then it will be the increment at 40,000. It will be 4,000. Interface 4,000. Okay, we will see the next option. How to appear the increment date, increment amount, and increment date. When we put the increment date and the increment update button visible, and when we put the resign date, the resign submit button will appear. Okay, keep in touch. We will meet in our next video. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.